Can pornography really cause erectile dysfunction? A thought-provoking question indeed. Welcome to an exploration of the intricate world of erectile dysfunction, a condition that, while often misunderstood, is more common than you might think. Erectile dysfunction, or ED as it is commonly known, is a multifaceted issue with various underlying causes. It's not simply a matter of being unable to achieve or maintain an erection, it's a complex interplay of physical, psychological, and hormonal factors. Let's briefly touch upon the 4 types of erectile dysfunction: psychogenic, vascular, neurogenic, and hormonal. Psychogenic erectile dysfunction is linked to psychological factors such as stress, anxiety, and depression. Vascular ED, on the other hand, is related to the blood flow to the penis, while neurogenic ED involves the nervous system, including the brain, nerves, and spinal cord. Lastly, hormonal ED is associated with imbalances in hormones like testosterone. It's important to note that while these types might seem distinct, they often overlap, and a person could experience more than one type. This makes understanding and managing erectile dysfunction a complex task, but there's hope. Lifestyle modifications and dietary choices can play a significant role in managing and even reversing ED. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, adequate sleep, and stress management techniques can all contribute to better sexual health. It's about a holistic approach to wellness that extends beyond the physical aspect. As we delve deeper into this issue, we hope to shed some light on the potential impact of pornography on erectile dysfunction. It's a controversial topic, with strong opinions on both sides of the argument, but as we'll see, it's not as straightforward as it may seem. So stick with us as we navigate the complexities of erectile dysfunction and the potential role of pornography in its onset. To understand erectile dysfunction, we need to first comprehend the anatomy of erections. Erections are a complex physiological process involving a symphony of different systems in the body. The key players in this process are the blood vessels, nerves, and hormones. Let's start with the blood vessels. When a man becomes sexually aroused, the brain sends signals to the nerves in the penis. These nerves then prompt the blood vessels in the penis to relax and open up. This relaxation allows blood to flow into the penis at a much faster rate than it can flow out. As a result, the penis fills with blood and becomes erect. Now, onto the nerves. The nerves in the penis are responsible for sending and receiving signals from the brain. These signals tell the blood vessels when to relax and when to contract. Without these nerves, the blood vessels wouldn't know when to allow for increased blood flow, making an erection impossible. Lastly, we have the hormones. Hormones like testosterone play a crucial role in maintaining sexual health and facilitating erections. Testosterone helps to regulate libido or sexual desire and also aids in the physiological processes that lead to an erection. A decrease in testosterone levels can lead to difficulties achieving or maintaining an erection. In summary, an erection is a complex dance between blood vessels, nerves, and hormones. Any disruption in this dance, whether it's from damage to the blood vessels or nerves or a hormonal imbalance, can lead to erectile dysfunction. Now that we understand the process of erections, we can better appreciate the complications that lead to erectile dysfunction. Now let's explore the controversial debate. Can pornography cause erectile dysfunction? This is a question that has sparked numerous discussions and debates within the medical and psychological communities. While a direct cause-effect relationship between pornography and erectile dysfunction is yet to be definitively established, some studies suggest that psychological factors associated with pornography use could indeed contribute to erectile dysfunction. It's a topic shrouded in complexity and nuance, and it's important to approach it with an open mind and a comprehensive understanding. Pornography in itself is not inherently harmful. However, when consumed in excess or in a way that disrupts daily life, it can potentially lead to psychological issues. These issues can then indirectly lead to erectile dysfunction. It's a chain reaction, you see. For instance, some individuals may develop unrealistic expectations about sexual performance or body image from excessive pornography consumption. These unrealistic expectations can then lead to performance anxiety, and this anxiety can potentially trigger erectile dysfunction. Moreover, there is also the possibility of a phenomenon called porn-induced erectile dysfunction. This is believed to occur when an individual becomes conditioned to the intense stimulation of pornography, leading to difficulty in achieving an erection without it. However, it's worth noting that this is a relatively new concept and further research is needed to fully understand its implications. It's also crucial to remember that while some individuals may experience these issues, others may not. The impact of pornography on sexual health is highly individual and can be influenced by a multitude of factors, including one's mental health, relationship status, and personal beliefs about pornography. In conclusion, the relationship between pornography and erectile dysfunction is complex. It's not a straightforward cause and effect scenario, but rather a potential contributing factor that may affect some individuals more than others. It's a topic that requires further research and a lot more understanding. The relationship between pornography and erectile dysfunction is complex, and it may vary greatly among individuals. Prevention is better than cure, especially when it comes to sexual health. This age-old saying rings true now more than ever as we navigate the complexities of erectile dysfunction. Proactive approaches to sexual health are not just about avoiding problems, but rather about enhancing overall wellness and vitality. So let's dive into the 3 pillars of a proactive sexual health approach: exercise, a healthy diet, and stress management. Firstly, let's talk about exercise. Regular physical activity can significantly improve sexual health. It boosts blood flow, balances hormones, and fosters a sense of well-being. Cardiovascular exercises like running or cycling can be particularly beneficial, as they enhance blood flow to all parts of the body, including the sexual organs. Strength training, on the other hand, helps to balance hormone levels, which can positively impact sexual function. Next, we move on to diet. What we consume has a direct impact on our health, including sexual health. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains contributes to improved blood flow and hormone balance, both crucial for sexual function. It's also important to limit the intake of processed foods, excessive sugar, and alcohol, as these can negatively affect sexual health. Finally, let's not overlook the role of stress management in maintaining sexual health. Chronic stress can wreak havoc on the body, disrupting hormonal balance and causing a variety of health issues, including sexual dysfunction. Engaging in regular stress management practices such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, yoga, or simply taking time for leisure and relaxation can help maintain a healthy balance and improve sexual health. In conclusion, being proactive about your sexual health involves more than just addressing problems as they arise. It's about adopting a holistic approach to wellness, embracing healthy lifestyle choices, and taking care of both your physical and emotional health. Being proactive about your sexual health can make a significant difference in managing erectile dysfunction. It's time we shift our focus from reacting to preventing, and in doing so, we can enhance our overall health and well-being. Erectile dysfunction is not just a physical issue, it's far more complex than that. As we've explored throughout this discussion, erectile dysfunction, or ED, is a multifaceted condition. It's not only about the physical aspects, but also involves psychological, hormonal, and lifestyle components. Each of these facets intertwines, creating a web of complexity that's as unique as the individual experiencing it. Let's take a moment to recap what we've learned thus far. We've delved into the anatomy of erections, understanding the intricate process that allows for this natural phenomenon. It's not merely a switch that turns on and off, but a symphony of events happening in harmony. We've also touched on the different types of erectile dysfunction: psychogenic, vascular, neurogenic, and hormonal. Each type brings its own set of challenges and requires a tailored approach for effective management. In our journey to unravel this complexity, we've also examined the potential impact of pornography on erectile dysfunction. While a direct causal link has not been firmly established, it's important to consider that psychological factors associated with pornography use may contribute to ED in some individuals. It's a debate that's still ongoing, and it's crucial to approach it with an open mind and a willingness to understand the nuances. But perhaps the most empowering part of our discussion has been the emphasis on proactive approaches to sexual health. Exercise, a healthy diet, stress management, these are all tools within our reach that can help prevent and even reverse erectile dysfunction. It's a testament to the power of lifestyle modifications and taking charge of our health. In the end, it's clear that erectile dysfunction is a complex issue, but complexity should not breed fear or despair. Instead, it should inspire curiosity, understanding, and action. So let's keep the conversation going, let's continue to learn, and let's empower ourselves to manage our sexual health effectively. Remember, erectile dysfunction is a complex issue, but with understanding and proactive steps, it's possible to manage it effectively.